Okay, so I'm here with Stef in Paris, France, who is playing with Trippy, and he just pulled out a little surprise. This cool little instrument that he said he 3D printed here. So I'm excited. It's like a ukulele?
Yeah, it's an electric ukulele.
It's an electric ukulele.
There's a jack in here.
Holy crap. This is fascinating. So where does the sound vibrate to get it in here?
There's a piezo microphone in the saddle, yeah.
Ah, gotcha.
It can come off. And
That is incredible.
it doesn't resonate, so it doesn't make sound, but
Yeah, you have to plug it in.
you have to plug it in, but I can do it now.
What?
I can show you. You can make sound effects. The whole ukulele costs almost the same, like 40 euros.